lineup's pretty much already over there. I was very fair. There was questions, so apparently people have been screwing other people at other.
Hey, GW. It looks good.
Hey, right. Check it out. We gotta put our number on it.
Yeah. You got paint? I got a paint marker somewhere.
Yeah, I took out an eye.
Make sure everything's out of here. Oh yeah, there ain't really shit in there that can hit you. Come on, I can bring the shit out.
So when they come off of turn number 4, they've got to go around this tire or the lap doesn't count. Up, up, up.
Yeah, Chris, there you go. There you go.
Yeah, see, Indians come in here and block him up. Hitting up against the tire or something. Battle's going to be for the third spot between the 22 and the 15.
No, no. Come on, Chris. Yes, sir.
7 trying to get back into the mix. Battle right now.
Yeah, Chris, come on.
Ice cream. Got it.
Hurry up, spin him out 47K.
Put him out, that's my guy.
Battle for third spot, coming up off the turn number 4, back down to the flagpole.
Get it,
There
Chris,
we
come
go.
on.
58 still trying to get around the 22. 777.
You got it, come on, come on.
Here we go. Get it. Going back to the replay, down the back straightaway into turn number 3. Yep, he was all the way up beside him, slid right in there. It was just some good hard racing. And Jesse Brown took off down into turn number 1, clipped the number 2 in the left rear, spin him around. Jesse Brown went around, ended up at the bottom of turn number 2 in the
Oh, the leader's done. The leader's got involved in a wreck. The leader. Oh, your leader is done. They handed a racer. Go, Greg. Get the hell out.
Hey, what the hell?
Get off the track. Hurry up and go.
Keep going. Get out of my car.
Hey!
Get out of here. Now.
Yeah! Yeah, Marty! Hey, you! Go! Trust him. It's an Enduro race, baby!
Get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, baby, it's an Enduro race!
Don't make bullshit.
I don't give a shit, I got
I mean, I imagine some of you all seen enduro racing before, right? Yeah. Would you get out of the car in the middle of a race? You guys are awesome. Yeah. Well, I'm glad I'm not the only one that saw that.
Let's go, Big Crew. Let's go.
Oh, somebody just about took out our leader. That's going to be the 63X.
Mount Patrol.
GW's riding out, ain't you? Look at these guys up here. See if they go too.
Ray Crow. In second, going to be the 711 and John Berger. Third is going to be the 50.
Where do I go? Well, Gio, you still got a fresh car, but you need a transmission, huh? Ain't no cooler? Your transmission's not burnt then? Okay. We know what to do to fix that. Look at Chris. Damn, boy. It's looking good. Still got a muffler on it. Thank you. Look at that. Look at that. Man, that boy's a professional. I did?
No, I did on Bill's son.
On Bill's son? On that back? That was what you did? Your front's immaculate. Oh, well, this is Chris's motor, so I'm gonna offer Chris that 305. Yeah.
Killing. Guess who I didn't? Oh, what's he done on that?
Oh my God. Hey,
Yeah.
thank y'all guys for coming on, man.
I appreciate it, Justin.
Yep,
Thank
y'all
you,
have a
bro.
good one.
Appreciate
Yes, sir.
it. We'll be back again if you got.
I'm gonna get the car pulling. It look good.